Hello, friend. It is so good to see you today. I am so excited. We are going to do something very creative and very fun. We are going to be artists, you and me. Today we will use our fingers to paint. Wow, isn't that amazing? We will use bright, happy colors to make beautiful pictures on paper. We will get a little messy. That is part of the fun. We will keep our painting time safe and gentle, moving slowly and enjoying every moment. Are you ready to sit down and start our colorful adventure? Come on, let's go. First, let's look at all the things we need for our finger painting project. It is a good idea to have everything ready before we begin. What do we need? Let's make a little list. Non-toxic finger paint. That means it is safe for our hands. Big, thick paper to paint on. A mat or some old newspaper to protect the table. A smock or old shirt to wear over our clothes. We will need warm water, soap, and a soft towel. Before we dip our fingers into paint, let's remember, paint is for our hands and the paper only. Do not put paint in your mouth or near your eyes. Make sure a grown-up is nearby to help. They can open bottles and get water ready. Is your favorite grown-up with you? Great. Let's peek at our paints. Red like a fire truck, blue like the sky, yellow like a happy sun. These colors are beautiful. First things first, let's set up our special art studio. We need to find a nice, calm place to work. This is our creation station. The mat keeps everything neat and tidy. Great job helping to set up. Our big paper goes right in the middle. Where should our paints go? Let's keep paints on one side with just little dabs to start. Wipes and warm water go on the other side. A grown-up is here to help, and our smock is like a superhero cape for artists. Let's take a nice slow breath, in and out. Ready to begin? Look at those happy colors. Our adventure is about to begin. Are you ready to get some paint on your fingers? Let's start slowly. I think I will start with blue. Now let's just use one finger, our pointer finger. Gently dip the very tip. You only need a little bit. Press down and lift. We made a dot. Let's make another and count. 1, 2. You are doing an amazing job. Your dots look fantastic. Dot, dot, dot. It is like a little path for an ant. You can make your dots close together or far apart. There are no rules, just fun. Now let's try a line. Press and slide. Whoosh! A long, beautiful line. You can make straight lines, or wiggly lines like a little snake. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. What about two fingers? Make twin lines. A little road for a tiny toy car. Vroom, vroom. We have made dots and lines. So cool. Ready for something bigger? We are going to make a handprint. A grown-up can help put paint on your palm. Spread it around your whole palm and all your fingers. Squishy and cool. Find an empty spot. Fingers spread like a big hello to the paper. Ready? Press down. 1, 2, 3, and lift straight up. Wow. A perfect handprint. Your palm and all 5 fingers. Let's try a palm print. Fingers together. Maybe a new color. Press and lift. A big round shape. Maybe a silly animal body or a mushroom top. Look at all these amazing shapes. Little dots, long lines, big handprints, and palm prints. Add a little face and legs for a turkey, or draw a trunk and make tree leaves. Your handprint is full of possibilities. We have used one color, but what happens when we use more? This is where the magic begins. Let's pick a second color, maybe yellow. Make yellow dots next to the blue. Look how bright and happy yellow looks next to blue. Now for a fun experiment. What happens if we mix them? Swirl and mix, mix and swirl. What is happening? Look, blue and yellow dancing together made a brand new color. It is green. You are a color magician. Let's try red and yellow. Swirl, swirl, swirl. It is turning into orange, like a juicy orange. Put 2 colors on one finger, red on one side, blue on the other. Make a line. You might see red, blue, and purple where they meet. Mix on the paper, try new combos, and see what you discover. Your painting is full of beautiful shades now. It is a rainbow of your own creation. Now that we are experts at making marks and mixing colors, let's try simple pictures. We can make a happy sun. Draw a round circle with yellow. or make a big yellow thumbprint for the center. Then straight lines for rays. Line, 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 all around. For a flower, make a yellow dot for the center and red dots around for petals. Dot, dot, dot. Look, a bright sun and a pretty flower together. Let's paint a wiggly fish. Make blue wavy lines for water, then an orange thumbprint sideways for the fish body. Add a tiny eye and a small tail. Your fish is swimming. Fingerprints can make a caterpillar on a leaf, and a handprint can be the top of a big green tree. Ask your grown-up for ideas, or let your fingers dance and see what appears. Every mark is special because you made it. Your painting tells a story, and you are the storyteller. Fantastic job. Painting is so much fun, and sometimes a little messy, but that is okay. If paint gets on the table or on our arm, use a wet wipe to clean it right up. Place your masterpiece where it can dry. Lay it flat so the paint does not run. Save the pretty colors for next time. Lids on, cups covered. Carry little cups to the sink or the trash, and pour the bowl of water carefully into the sink. Put supplies away neatly. Sing a little cleanup song. Look at you, putting everything back where it belongs. You are a fantastic helper. Thank you for keeping our art studio so neat. Look at our hands, so colorful, like little maps of our art adventure. Time to get them clean. We do not want it too hot or too cold, just right. Watch the colors swirl like a tiny rainbow down the drain. Soap is a super helper. One pump, rub, 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 lots of fluffy bubbles. Wash your palms, the backs, between your fingers and your thumbs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back under the warm water, rub to rinse away all the bubbles and color. Pat, pat, pat. Dry the front, the back, and in between your fingers, cozy and warm. Look, all clean. You painted, you helped clean up, and you washed so carefully. High five for clean hands. You are amazing. Now that we are all clean and tidy, let's check on our painting. Look with your eyes. It might still be a little wet. Look at all the beautiful colors, the wonderful shapes, and the amazing marks your fingers created. Your painting is one of a kind. There is no other like it because you made it. I love how you mixed blue and yellow to make green. Let's have a little art show for your family. We can hang it in a special place, the refrigerator or your room, with tape or a magnet. Every time you walk by, you will remember our happy, colorful time. Today you learned dots, lines, a handprint, and mixed new colors. You were patient, creative, and so helpful. Thank you for painting with me, my amazing artist friend. Keep exploring, keep creating, keep smiling. Goodbye. See you next time.